way.
Oh, what up, PK people? It's your boys, Crown MVEMNT crew. You know, PK Trey.
Yo, what's up, people? You know, we're training in the city. It's gonna be fun.
Hell yeah. I already got a line that I was working on, and I figured why not pull out the camera and just get it done and show y'all. So let's get it going on, you feel me? Here's the setup. Can you guess what's about to happen? I'll give you 3 seconds.
I bet you can.
All right, let's get it.
Oh, not the bounce. So sketchy. This stuff is so sharp.
So scary.
Oh my god. No. That was crazy. He almost killed his ankles on the curve.
I did not want to land in the street. That was so scary.
That was very scary. Come on. There we go. There we go. That was it. Perfection.
Woo! Nice. Get it? Get it? Yes, bro. Sick one.
I like those.
Yeah, that's a serious climb up challenge right there.
Yeah. Parkour. No way. Oh, let's go. Hey. Is that the same person or?
I think that's different. YouTube, they love me out here. Let's go.
Come on. Okay. Next spot.
Yeah, YouTube, we back. We're at this little teeter down spot. I don't know what you want to call it. Big steps. Let's call it that. And just gonna cook up a little bit of lines and get back to you with it. You know what I'm saying? There you go.
Oh shit, that was dope. That was actually cool as hell.
I added a flip in there because, I don't know, I just felt like I needed to add a flip in there.
I mean, sometimes you gotta add a flip. That flowed really well.
He prepping. Alright, we back. Jack got a line, he cooked up, let's get it.
Oh yeah. This is a technical one, so it's complicated. There's a lot of spinny shit, and I only do side flips and lazies and big drops, so it's tough.
Sick. He acted like it was not cool because he don't like it. He's weird.
It didn't feel cool, but I feel like it looked pretty cool.
That was sick. All right, YouTube. We're gonna get out of this spot because it's too much of a flowy spot. Our brains aren't working. They're fried in this heat. It's like 98 degrees. So we're just gonna leave and go somewhere else. Let's get out of here. We back, YouTube. It's probably hard to hear me because of this, I don't know, these vents up here. But we found this little play around spot that we're just gonna play around with. Yeah.
Got that? Oh, come on. Professional climber.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
So dusty up here?
Oh my god. Pavement dust. Alright, I gotta try that. Oh, yeah.
Holy shit. That was hard, you two. I'm tired. Woo! Let's see if Jack's got that.
Going for record time.
Can't hear you. There we go.
Oh, my fingers. I'm so tired now.
Random challenge that we got done. Okay, as you can see, there are spots here. We might try to hit up the spots, but security walks over here like every couple of minutes, so it's hard to get up there and get it done without knowing we're gonna get kicked out. So we'll see. We'll either leave it alone or we'll get those stunts, but either way, that was really fun. Let's go. Sick.
Oh, no way. Sick.
Let's
Let's go. I like this spot. Yep. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. That looks so good with like a shadow in the back of the wall. Come on.
Let's go, Jack.
That was sick.
Sick one. Ow! Yeah, baby. That was fire. Let's go. Oh.
Come on. Woo! Let's go. The full clear.
That is so fun.
Sick.
Oh my god. What a setup.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Woo, you too.
Sick.
Man, as far as electrical boxes go, those are pretty sick. But I think we're gonna dip out of here. So next spot. Let's go. Holy shit, YouTube. Holy shit, YouTube. It's our hurricaning on us, yo. The wind is blowing so fucking hard right now. It's literally like a fucking hurricane right now. Man, we can't even see over there. Wow. Alright, YouTube. Well, the rain is out. So looks like we're done for this episode of Free Movement Fridays, baby.
I don't know. I'm gonna go jump on some rails. Hang on.
Go jump in there.
Hang on. Hang on. Oh, this got so wet.
Yeah, YouTube, we are out.
Free movement.
Episode 28 of Free Movement Fridays is concluded due to weather conditions. But hey, we was having fun and I hope y'all liked that video. Please share, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified. You know, I be doing that because it rhymes. And yeah, all that good stuff.
Oh yeah? See y'all next week. Hopefully it's not raining like this.
Yeah. Peace, YouTube.
See y'all.
Boo, rain.